try some crumbl with me. I was actually filming a video and a project with these, so they're not going to be intact when I show it to you, most of them. First we have the Biscoff skillet cookie. So let's give that a try. That's actually really good. Normally their frosting can be kind of on the sweet side, but I really liked the frosting, surprisingly, and I can taste the cinnamon of the Biscoff. Next up, this is the one I really wanted to try, is the Buckeye brownie. This is peanut butter. That is really good. It almost tastes like a homemade peanut butter brownie. Love the peanut butter flavor. I've been wanting to try this forever. It is the Dubai chocolate brownie. I squished it a little, but first time ever trying this. That is really good. It's literally just a layer of solid chocolate in the Dubai. I actually would have liked a little bit more brownie. And then we have classic peanut butter cookie. Dry on the outside but softer on the inside, which I like. I feel like, I don't know if it's because I got the minis, but these are definitely tasting a little less like synthetic. They're tasting like baked. Then Valentine's Day M&M cookie. Classic, good. I love M&M's. So, and original pink sugar cookie. I know I like it. Thanks for trying crumbl with me.